Yung mga Pinoy na yun. Oo, di wala, tatlo. Ayun o, may mga maleta. Uuwi na sila. Oh, yeah, map. Okay, thank you. Yan, uuwi na sila. Tama?
Baka bakasyon nila, no? Tapos dito sila papadrop.
Magkano palit ang currency nila? Hindi natin kailangan.
Dahil mamaya na naman.
No, let's see the shopping. Ito yung shopping. Did you remember this last year, oh?
Sila sasakay sa bus. Ito maglalakad.
Maglalakad lang hanggang lang doon sila. Doon ang downtown eh. Tingnan natin doon na.
Kaya ba natin yan? Ilang oras na tapos ito, magmamadali ka naman. Huwag na dadal yung tukod mo. Yan, ito mo dito.
Return ship. Can you check kung magkano itong bus na ganito? Dati noon $40 each eh. Currency exchange. Let's see how much what can find here.
Take the shuttle and go downtown. Okay, yeah, that's the best bet. For the shuttle? The shuttle's right here. These buses are the shuttle. Yeah, so and it's a so I mean you could go for a little walk just along the sidewalks and go like 45 minutes. So you could go like half an hour one way and then turn around and not even come back. Yeah, you know, like 20 minutes there, 20 minutes back, and then when you're back.
Oh, wala kang time daw. 45 minutes there, coming back 45 minutes. So we don't have much time. We have to head back. Wow.